At Blind Designs, quality, consistency, and trust are at the core of everything we do, which is why we've partnered with Louvolite in the United Kingdom, a company that shares those same values with us. Every year, 15 million brackets go through their specialized paint room, where the brackets are punched into shape, then shaped and formed, and then individually powder coated to ensure maximum protection against corrosion. So let's take a behind the scenes look at Louvolite's specialized powder coating facility.